and thanks for watching this short demo. What this is a series of paintings I did at a place called Blue Sails in Anglesey, North Wales. And what I wanted to do is show you how I make my drawings, my painting sketches, and then use those to produce this beautiful large watercolour painting. What struck me about this scene was the way one late evening the sun, which was behind me, was really lighting up the mountain opposite. And that's the effect I'm trying to achieve here. And if I don't get it in the first time, I'll try again and do it again. I show you step by step. I don't cut anything out except some of the drying times. And most of the time I use a hairdryer for that. And that's another technique that you can learn. So if you fancy doing this course, once you sign up, you have it for life. You can ask questions. If you get stuck, you can send an email to me in the Q&A section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I've called this piece "Mountain Carved by the Sun." I think it's pretty obvious why, and it really does remind me of the place at the time as well. So here we go, the big reveal. I'm taking off the masking tape, which always makes it look 100% better. And there's the finished painting, all framed up. Beautiful. My name's David Walker. I've been an artist for 35 years, so if you fancy coming along and learning how to paint nice, fast and loose paintings like this, enroll and I'll see you in the first lesson. See you soon.